How to transfer Spotify playlist to Apple Music. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you convert or transfer Spotify playlist to your Apple Music. So let's get started. First, you have to just use a third-party application for that. As this is legal, you can easily find that application on App Store. The application is SongShift. After you install that application, SongShift, you'll have to open that. After you open that, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Spotify. And from here, simply tap on open. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on agree. And from here, again you'll have to tap on Apple Music. Again from here, tap on continue. Or let tap on allow. Like I have not any subscription on my Apple Music, so in your case you can manually accept it. After you add your Spotify and Apple Music, tap on the sharing at the bottom right, and from here tap on get started. From here tap on Spotify, and from here you'll have to select the playlist whom you want to share. After you select it, at the bottom tap on share this playlist. Right now here is no any track, so I'm unable to share it. In your case, if you have saved any track on your playlist, you'll be able to share that on your Apple Music. And that's it. From here, you can simply transfer or share Spotify playlist to your Apple Music. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.